Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a 10-step Korean skincare routine that will help you achieve glowing, healthy-looking skin. Korean skincare has been making waves in the beauty industry, and it's no wonder why the 10-step routine is designed to hydrate, nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Let's get started. Step 1. Cleanse. Start by cleansing your skin with a gentle, water-based cleanser. This will help remove any dirt, oil, or makeup that's accumulated on your skin throughout the day. Step 2. Exfoliate. Next, use a gentle exfoliating scrub to remove any dead skin cells and unclog your pores. Exfoliating once or twice a week is enough to keep your skin looking healthy and refreshed. Step 3. Tone. After cleansing and exfoliating, it's time to tone your skin. Use a toner to help balance your skin's pH level and prepare it for the rest of your skincare routine. Step 4. Essence. Next, apply an essence, which is a lightweight, watery formula that's packed with skin-loving ingredients. Essence helps hydrate and nourish your skin, leaving it looking and feeling soft and smooth. Step 5. Treat. Now, it's time to treat any specific skin concerns you might have, such as dark spots, wrinkles, or acne. Apply a targeted treatment product to the areas you need it most. Step 6. Sheet mask. The sixth step is one of the most popular in Korean skincare, the sheet mask. Sheet masks are soaked in a serum that's designed to hydrate and nourish your skin. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove and massage any remaining serum into your skin. Step 7. Eye cream. Next, it's time to focus on the delicate skin around your eyes. Apply an eye cream to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Step 8. Moisturize. Now, it's time to hydrate your skin with a moisturizer. Choose a formula that's appropriate for your skin type, whether that's a light, gel-like moisturizer for oily skin or a rich, creamy formula for dry skin. Step 9. Sunscreen. Even if you're not going outside, it's important to protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV rays. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to help protect your skin from sun damage. Step 10. Nighttime routine. Finally, at night, it's a good idea to double cleanse to make sure all of your makeup and dirt are removed. Follow the rest of your skincare routine, then finish with a nourishing night cream to help your skin regenerate while you sleep. And that's it. By following this 10-step Korean skincare routine, you'll be on your way to achieving glowing, healthy-looking skin. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or skincare tips to share. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.